Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate the Devil Eyes here. So you want to go to your Play Store and download the XKChrome app. Go ahead and open it up and it'll take you to what's the circle. And that is XKGlow's basically account, kind of like your own Instagram, etc. You can share with other enthusiasts from XKGlow only. You can enter your ride in the photo contest for to win up to $150 if you win the most votes. That's actually where I got my Devil Eyes from. Don't mind the cat by the underglow there. Alright, so let's go ahead. It's got several modes. It has the palette mode. It has the theme mode, the circle, which is basically your home, music mode, and then your music mode, then your motion. So we'll go ahead and go to the palette, and this basically opens up the colors for you. So what you want to do first thing is you'll have to pair your device. So you'll go up to the 3 bars here, and that'll show, depending on how many receivers you have, that'll show your device list. So go ahead and click this on, and it'll turn your Devil Eyes on. Basically, it happens to the last color that it's set to. You have solid, breathe, and then you have strobe. You can do different colors of the spectrum. It also goes into 2 different zones. So you have zone 1, which I have as my passenger side, and zone 2. You can go to several different colors here on the spectrum. Do all kinds of stuff here. So you can change the brightness. So then you'll go to breathe here, and it shows the color you can breathe separate. Let's see. Put them back together. Here. There we go. You got both of them breathing there. Change the color. Change how fast they go. Right. Sorry, I'm using the old phone here for the device, and you got your strobe, different colors. Alright, then you have, go down to your music here, or the themes, sorry. You got your patterns. You got your pattern there, that's my pattern. You got Christmas. You got Valentine's Day. You even got an emergency strobe. My favorite so far here. You got Halloween, which is really cool. Veterans Day, Memorial Day, St. Patrick's Day. And then you can come up and you can customize your own. So you basically go through, pick your colors, pick your patterns that you want. You can go down, hit your speed, your brightness of them. Then you hit save. Alright. So then we'll go to motion, which is basically you're just motioning. You can set this to your acceleration of your car, how fast you're going, like if you're on a bike, etc. So then we'll go to my favorite, which is the music mode. And you can do this with your iMusic, your Apple Music, stuff like that. So you can download your own music. I don't have anything downloaded. I just opened my app a little bit ago and set my account up. So I'll go to the mic here. And then hit, you can choose your sensitivity. And go over here to my phone. So set the app here, Then I'll turn the music up here. Change sensitivity. And then with this, you can actually come back out here. So you can actually change your colors. Go to a all these different colors here. So we'll do the rainbow here. Good right there on that. And as we're doing the rainbow, I actually love to pair it with the XKChrome underglow I got here. All the different features I got. Go up through here. So it's beating to the music, right? So we got the demon eyes going, and that's hitting the music. We got that going. So that's pretty much it. So far, that's all I've discovered. And hopefully this weekend I'll be getting some grill lights to put in here. I'm gonna shoot some video on that. Get some interior lights going, all from XKGlow. So be sure to check that out. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and leave me a thumbs up on this. Comment, show your boy some love. Till next time, alright? Later.
Extra large and extra hard. Put this cookie right in your face. Swipe your nose like a credit card. Hop on top, I wanna ride. I do a giggle, I'm kinda wild. Look at my mouth, look at my thighs. Sweater is wet, come take a dive. Tie me up like I'm surprised. That's role play, I wear disguise. I want you to park that Big Mac truck right in this little garage. Make me dream, make it stream. I don't put it, make the scene. I don't cook, I don't clean, but let me tell you, I got this ring.
Gobble me, swallow me, drip down inside of me. Quick jump out, but you let it get inside of me. I tell them where to put it, never tell them where I'm about to be. I'm run down on them before I have a night. Running me, talk your shit, bite your lip. Ask for a call while you ride that dick. While you really ain't never got a point for a thing. You already made his mind up before he came. Now get your boots, hang your coat, but this wet and gushy. He bought a phone just for pictures of this wet and